Hello, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to share today's DIY with you. A couple of months ago, I did a video on easy things that you can repurpose into crafts just to kind of help with anything that you were going through. And one of the crafts that I came across, I went nuts for, and I honestly meant to do it for fall, but I didn't get around to it, so I'm doing it today. So if you remember this video, one of the things that I really wanted to make was this soda bottle cloche. Guess what? I made them. Okay, so I made two. I did one with one of the smart water bottles because our family loves Oreos. We eat them all of the time, and I thought it would be funny to do a big, tall, whimsical tower instead of, I've got a lot of little cake plates and things, but I wanted something tall and silly, and this smart water bottle was the perfect thing. So I'll show you how to make it in this tutorial, but I just got a little tiny pedestal that I found at Hobby Lobby. It was 50% off, so I got it for $1.50, and it is the absolute perfect size for this. And then with the other soda bottle, I just found some of my old decorative glass cut plates and I used them as the base. But you can use candlestick holders, you can use lids to other things. This is a really fun opportunity to be completely creative. And please let me know in the comment below if you're like me. I want to do a different theme every holiday. Last year we did something that was all vintage. The year before that, we did all silver and crystal. The year before that, we did all candy cane, gingerbread-esque. So I would feel pretty guilty if I had to go out and buy all new decorations every year. So I love finding DIYs like this so that I can go ahead and change my style, and then I don't feel guilty at the end of the season if I choose to get rid of it or if I want to repurpose it into something else. So let's get going on how to make it. I always like to start with Pinterest just to get inspiration. There's so many amazing ideas out there, so here's a few that I looked at that I thought were super cute, and just to show you the variation and creativity that you can do with these. They can be super elaborate and very elegant, all the way down to something cute and whimsical. And another thing that I liked finding on Pinterest is a way to smooth the ends by just melting the ends a tiny bit. So I got my two bottles and I took the labels off first. Now they come off pretty easily, but I did find that there was a little bit of residue, so I just used some Goo Gone and started rubbing it off. The bottle one came off so easily. I just used the end of my tweezers and scraped off the end a little bit, and it came crystal clean. Now, the Smart bottle was a little bit different because it's a wraparound label. So I just rubbed the solution on there and let it sit for a minute, and as I started to wipe it off, it gummed up, which you can see here. So I just continued rubbing it, and it really did wipe off pretty easily. Now, make sure you have your lid on so that the air is tight inside, otherwise the bottle keeps collapsing and it'll leave little creases in your bottle. So we want these as crystal clear as possible. So then I just had to decide the height that I wanted each one. The big bottle already has a line, the smaller didn't, but I wanted it to be tall, so I just used my X-Acto knife to slice the very bottom off. Now, after cutting this first one, I realized that it's much easier to poke a hole in it and use the scissors. Trying to use the X-Acto knife, it kept bending, so when I go to do the second bottle, I just went ahead and cut a small hole and then used my scissors, and it was a very clean cut. The next thing that I did after completely drying them off and cleaning them is I cut the little bottle lid off, and I am able to put in a door handle. So I put the door handle right in. It's the perfect size, but you can use a small ornament. And then I use a hacksaw to cut off the top, but you do not have to do that. And I went to show you the whole thing, but my camera fell over and died after that. So I apologize, I don't have the footage of cutting off the top, but here they are all finished. And again, you could get really creative and add something at the base. You could add snow, you can add ribbon. Pinterest will show you so many different ideas. For me, I wanted mine to be really simple. because I'm going to have food in them and I didn't want the snow getting knocked off, but I might add a little bit of tinsel just around the base to dress it up a tiny more. But let me know what you think. This was probably one of my favorite DIYs that I've made so far, simply because it was so ridiculously easy and the payout was, I think, just absolutely adorable. So please leave me a comment below if you liked it. Also, make sure you subscribed. I'm going to be doing lots of DIYs over the next couple weeks, and if you click that notification bell, you'll be alerted every time I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.